Hey guys, this is Kira here. Hey Kira. And she has discovered apples. So, here. You can't eat it. You gotta give it kisses. You gotta lick it. Oh, good girl. Is that good? The noise is the sound of her tail wagging. Give kisses. Gotta give kisses. Good girl. Good girl. What? You like that? Is that yummy? Yeah. Here's some more. Want some more? Okay. Love apples. Yummy apples. Good girl. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.